Hi guys, this is That One Teacher. As we have discussed in our previous video about goal formation, where we defined goals as the objectives that company want to achieve in a specific time. Like Reliance Industries' goal of getting rid of more than 161,000 crore debt before 2021. And then there is strategy, which is the actions to be taken to become debt free in case of Reliance. So in this video, we will be focusing on strategy formation, which helps us as a startup entrepreneurs to achieve our desired goal. The first strategy that we discuss is fairly simple and it's called Porter's generic strategy that asks a business to become leader in either of the three categories, which are cost leadership, differentiation, third is focus strategy. So let's understand each one of them. So the first strategy is overall cost leadership. Companies that follow cost leadership strategy develop products that have lowest production and distribution cost so that they can underprice competition, that is sell at significantly less price than their competition and win market share. Just like Reliance Jio, which gave unlimited calling and almost unlimited data for free for more than 6 months from 2016 to 2017 in India. And even after March of 2017, they charged less than $2 a month for 30 GB of data and unlimited calling. But the problem with this strategy is that our competitor would soon figure out a way to offer still lower price than us by reducing their profit or sell at a loss, which could be dangerous for a small company because these startups will go bankrupt as they cannot sustain cost leadership for a longer time. Having said that, there are few companies which have made the cost leadership business model profitable and have also presence in many places in the respective countries. These companies are Walmart in USA and DMart in India. Now, people often think that Walmart and DMart operate on a very small profit margin, but that's not true. These companies get massive discount from their suppliers as they purchase in bulk. Also, these companies are present in slightly outskirts of the city where they own their place rather than renting a place, thus saving huge expenses. And there are other techniques that they use to increase their profit margin, which we'll discuss in some other video. But since we are not DMart or Walmart, we cannot rely solely on cost leadership. So we have to use a different strategy, which is differentiation strategy. The companies concentrate on delivering superior performance in an aspect that is important for a large number of customers. For example, Chinese companies like Xiaomi, Oppo identified that there are large section of people who want premium smartphones like Samsung's Note series or Apple's iPhone, but they are unable to afford these phones. So the company bought premium or almost premium features in budget range phones, and since these companies were able to mass produce it, they actually made huge profits by selling millions of phones. But to become a true market leader, your company needs to integrate both these strategies. Just like Travelocity. Travelocity is an online travel agency in USA like Make My Trip in India. It is able to combine cost leadership and differentiation strategy. It offers lowest fare for booking flight tickets to leisure travelers or the people who travel for fun and want to visit new places at minimum cost. But at the same time, the company also charges higher fare for the same flight to the last minute travelers, like people who book tickets at the last minute. These people usually are business travelers and are ready to pay extra for the last minute booking and cancellation with money back guarantee. This is how the company is able to pursue a hybrid model. But first, let's understand the cost of failing in adopting these strategies. Circuit City was a consumer electronic company which went out of business because it did not stand out as the lowest in cost, higher in perceived value, or best in serving some market segment. A similar example can be seen of Vodafone Idea, which is struggling in India because it does not offer lowest fares, nor does it offer better service than its competitor in all the cities. Now these examples raise two types of question. First, do we need to offer both cost leadership and differentiation strategy to become successful startup? And second, how do we achieve it? Michael Porter puts forward an argument which says operational effectiveness, which offers cost leadership, is not difficult for our competition to copy and can diminish the advantage that we offer. So that's why we need hybrid strategy. But if we are unable to offer it on our own, we can always borrow it. There is a concept called strategic alliance, where companies which might lack in strategy A but are expert in strategy B can form an alliance with a company that is expert in strategy A but lacks in strategy B. Now this alliance can be of four types. First is product or service alliance. One company licenses another to produce its products, or two companies jointly market their complementary products or a new product. For example, Varun Beverages are licensed partner of PepsiCo in India to manufacture and distribute Pepsi beverages in India. Or a joint venture between Vodafone and Idea, Maruti and Suzuki, Hero and Honda, where they combine their resources, technology and expertise to become a market leader in the industry. Then there is promotion alliance. where one company agrees to carry out a promotion for another company's product or service, like Lays doing promotion for Airtel, or consumer electronic companies promoting Intel in their laptop advertisement. Then there is Logistic Alliance. One company offers logistics service for another company's product, like Blue Dart does for many e-commerce companies in India. And the last is pricing collaboration. One or more company joins in special pricing collaboration, like free membership of Hotstar or ZEE5 with a certain special recharge of Airtel, Reliance Jio, etc. This alliance helps company to obtain greater sales impact at lower cost. That's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching.